Hey everyone, I want to introduce you to kit timing chain for Audi. We have introduced all the tool you can set up this engine. So this is a tool for Audi. It's very important for we understand about TDC for Audi. A camshaft control valve remove tool is very important. B column exhaust. C camshaft column inlet. D oil pump tension locking pin. E tension lock pin at 0.4 millimeter. F timing chain tension. Gear DTC position tool. H dial test indicator. I crank counter hole tool. J crankshaft strut piece. K drift for crank slip piece. That is very important for you work your eyes on the instruction to you. If you have Audi and two turbo engine, we can use all instruction like this tool that I mentioned above. The instruction prepare and precaution, rest from vehicle and remove from vehicle. Inner wheel arcs are required. Remove engine under shift. Top cover air intake. Auxiliary drive belt. Ensure the engine is TDC. For example, this one is very important. 10. Ensure the engine TDC. Ensure the chain tension is full restruct and held in restruct position using the pin pull that I mentioned about. The first two camshaft control valve remove. We yes, is tool that double side. There are two. You can change. You can see that I mentioned. So very important for remove. If you see this one, is the lock come. There is the lock come sharp. Just this is oil pump tension. You can read and read again and again. You understand about this point. So I hope you understand. This is the tool that we can indicate the TDC top or engine cylinder one. So this you see. Very important for you work is mechanician. You must understand about this one. The engine, you see this one. So I write all the document. I prepare all the document. You can write. You can read an instruction before you take out the camshaft cam driver. So I hope you understand about this. Yes, thank you for watching. If you change the timing change, the most very important understand about the camshaft TDC, crankshaft TDC, tension lock, oil pump lock, indicate the TDC position. It's very important for you. Thank you for watching. I hope this video can useful for all of the mechanical replace timing chain. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.